All right, Poochie. Let's have a look here. It definitely looks good. Um, you're into the 161. Um, I do like it, but it's also concerning that it's a difficult short because of the pattern, because of the moving average structure, because of the increase in volume. Um, that obviously it's into resistance right here. Right here. It's right there. So it's kind of do or die time, I suppose. It's been a very strong coin, and it's on its all-time highs here, right? It's on its all-time highs here. There's a very good chance that this is going to break out and go to new highs because it's one of the strongest coins in the market, and relative strength is a very powerful thing. But I totally get and understand the short here. It's a good short. I don't know how much you can get out of it, but I do like it. I don't think it's going to flip red today, but it definitely could reject here and get some sort of pullback. What what I often see is the market likes to pull back and give a rounding pattern and then go parabolic, something like that. Like here, that is a good example actually. Just know what I'm talking about. It just likes to pull back, round back up, and then go parabolic, something like that. So you could be onto something here that this might want to dip. It is a tough short here in case this did run, but the thing is, it's already just ran basically straight to here, so it's likely to get that pullback that you're looking for before a move up. I think like overall, I think a dip here is a buy for a bigger move higher. I just love the structure. I like the moving averages. I like the big move up, and what's it doing? It's U-shaped pattern. Um, U-shaped patterns can be very strong in the market, and you can see this is a giant U-shaped pattern. It's a giant Bart pattern, and some people like to call it a couple handle. Is it going to form that handle here now or whatever? Before the move. Just looking at the daily chart here, this previous pivot, this red pivot, as long as you're below that, you're definitely good. If it was truly bearish and we're going to get a pullback, price would probably like this. This might have been a kind of a stop hunt above here, taking liquidity in this large wick, creating a lower high, and then, well, you'd want it tomorrow to open up and turn red. So yeah, good luck with it. It's a very strong coin. If it starts getting above this green line and pushing up, I would be careful. It's green on the day. It's green on the 3-day. A new 3-day might actually want to do this sort of parabolic action. So if this opens up and turns green on a new 3-day, I would be careful. You wanted to open up and reject straight away and flip red and have a red 3-day coming back down. Now, this is potentially also a blueprint for success pattern, telling me that this is going to go higher. So just be careful, especially on a new 3-day candle. You kind of want that to stay red and roll over. If it is green, just be careful. Last thing here, you can see that there's quite a large wick up here, there's a lot of liquidity on a new 3-day. Like you can see here, this is your ideal situation, I suppose. When price comes, it can back up and stop under the highs and give a perfect entry, and then you got a bigger drop back down. So price on the new 3-day might even want to just come up and kind of take liquidity there, which is a 15% bounce on the new wick. So it's just something to keep an eye on. There's a lot of room to the upside, if it's going to grab liquidity up here and stuff. I'm not trying to put you off the trade. I'm just kind of looking at the risks of it. Ideally, you just want the new day. This is unlikely to turn red today. A new day, you probably want this to just open up, flip red, and tank lower, basically.